Okay, let's see.
I don't think this thing's gonna. We can't just be dumping like this candle after candle and dump it open. Just can't see it. At least we got a trap to the upside.
Maybe pull back up and bounce off the VWAP or something.
Yeah, just like something like that. But I don't know. He's just been dumping.
Yeah, we're just pouring lower. Good God, we are just gonna dump right to the friggin' 760s right off the bat.
I was wrong. Oh wait, it's not open yet.
Jesus Christ. It's a boomer.
I told you. Look at that thing. Look at that green.
Oh, yeah. I don't even think the market's open still, dude. Jeez. Oh, wait, I'm on fucking ES, that's why. I think still not moving.
I thought you were joking about people not pushing in Siege and being ass.
Dude. Dude.
Dude, terrible.
Dude, they don't. They suck. It's so bad.
That's what he said. I'm like, dude, I can't watch Danny be last live.
Oh
Just
my
like be outside
God.
the building.
Oh my God, it's infuriating. It's so infuriating. That's I'm like, all right, I just gotta push it because that's like what was the last game we played? Chalet or whatever, and I'm like, okay, time to stop being a bitch, Tony. Let's actually push here or whatever. And then I'm just trying to fucking make something happen and then just die. I'm like, oh my God, these people are useless. It's a pain. They just sit there and hold a corner even on offense. Like, oh, I'm just gonna sit here, hold this corner until the end of the round, and then try to push him with 5 seconds left and die.
Sure, right about going short.
Yeah, there's the first target. 674s. See if The only way I'm shorting down to the 679 is if we run through this before we get a pullback. Every time we fucking chop after we take out one, I fucking lose trying to short to the next target. So preferably, I'd rather see it run through right now to like the 730s, and then maybe pull back to like the 760s, and then push it. How we doing, Priv? How's it going, Priv? How's it going, Mike? Why did you say how's it going, Priv? Oh, you know, trying to keep the vibes up. I'm just trying to. I lost yesterday. Trying to have a short memory here today, and just do what I need to do. What's the goal? My first idea was short. This was my first target. I couldn't make it happen, but I could see us getting down here, but at the same time, I don't want to see us get held up right here for too long if I want to. I'd want to see like a push, like a push maybe to like the 730s, 720s, and then a pull back, and then maybe I can enter if we truly do want to go. I was trying to guess what you were going to say. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, Nvidia dumping like a fucking something. I don't know.
Yeah, we are. We just dump straight to the fucking target.
We'll see.
And we're almost at the 715 target.
Nvidia's dumping. Jesus. See if we can get a little bit bigger of a pullback here. Have you used something called FX Replay? Yes, I have. Good. Keep in mind, market strategies are just if statements. If XYZ occurs, then you look at how price is moving. Is it messy? Is it clean? Etc. Then you get your shit. Yep. I'm fasting today, Mike. I'm gonna go and take care today. I feel like. Okay. Good luck fasting. I guess. Well, we almost got down there. Jesus. Jesus. Do we just rip up to the moon here now? What are you thinking, Johnny? Yeah, he's not here. Well, is this where you should have taken the inverses? Am I going to see an easy win today from people? Me, I'm like, I just took this long. Targeted here. Stops here. Jesus. just don't. I don't know. We're just moving. We're not getting much of pullbacks here. They can have these marked out before, but it's just, I don't know what good it does me. Can we pull back to like 25, somewhere in here? Where we go, I hope. If we are going to go touch this. Yeah, it just doesn't seem like it wants to pull back. Ay, 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 ay. That's a crazy candle. If we want to keep going higher, what? I guess we just have like these highs up here that are.
Holy shit, we're pumping.
Yep.
Did you get in on anything?
Tell me what I could have, unless I'm trading an inverse fair value gap. I don't know what I could have got in on.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Just hit my 901 target. And I said it after that 938. I'm like, okay, it doesn't look like we want to get down there anymore. We tried to push twice, didn't make it to that 678 level. And then it's a boner candle up, but it's just, I don't know. That's the thing. And now it's, I hope we just continue pressure up. I hope we don't start chopping around here. Because if we start chopping around here, I might as well just be done for the day. I mean, that's like the 1 hour candle looks crazy.
Can we just like pull back to like 900? Just that.
Before we get to like the 953s, that hourly high. And 4 hour high. ES already took out the high, like the overnight high or whatever. Or wait, where is it? Okay, never mind. ES is not as close to. Okay, never mind. Oh my god. Mike, there's a new 80% win rate strategy. Oh, yeah? What does that even mean? That's a new one everybody can have. With whatever RR you want to. Well, there's your hourly high and 4 hour high. Touched right there. Yep. Cool. Cool. Now what? Are we gonna go all the way up to the 25,000s now?
I don't know. I don't know. What is like? What is this?
I mean, if you were already in, it's the best delivery ever. Whether you went short right at the beginning of the day or you went long after,
Yeah, I just don't know how you get in on either of
I'm
them.
sure Diego made a bag today. He probably got in long there because we swept a low, inverse some gaps, and then first TP was at the fucking 900s and second TP was up there at that. Like, it's probably was the case. It just came out? What do you mean it just came out? How can a strategy just come out? Oh.
Like, I took 5 trades and I won 4 of them. That means it's an 80% win rate.
If it makes you feel any better, yesterday we bought High of Day. Yesterday.
Yeah, it was nice. That's the thing. It's like I'd rather be completely wrong than get wigged out. So
Yeah.
at least I'm completely wrong.
If you know how I feel. I feel like you can already tell it's slowing down a little bit. Let's check my my cash secured put here because Amazon's up a little bit.
Did you roll it over from last week, or?
No, I didn't.
Oh no, you got filled, right?
Yeah, I got filled. And then I sold a put this week at the same place that I sold it at before I got filled the week before. So I sold it at 202.5 again. For $213. And now it's worth 160, so I'm up 24% on it. I kind of want to play with the idea of shorting this type of stuff. Obviously not right now, it doesn't look it, but because a lot of times it's like, alright, I think we take out the targets and then we just chop and fucking reverse back into the range or whatever. And I feel like this is a good spot to, I don't know, I don't see us ripping all the way up to the 25,000s, but maybe we could. I don't fucking know. If you know how.
Man, I wouldn't be surprised if this is where we like pull back and then we take out that the gap.
It's a big move.
It's 100 points.
I guess. After we just ripped up 260.
Oh, but that's the thing. We just ripped up 260. What's another 100?
I don't know. It just doesn't. I mean, you can tell it's definitely less momentum in the candles after we took out that 53 target, which was the original target.
Yeah, but we also, you said we haven't used it 10, right?
Not red folder though, orange folder. CB Consumer Confidence, Richmond Manufacturing Index. Yeah, we could chop around to there and then see. But if you know how I feel. It's unfortunate. I have the idea. Like, I mean, I guess here it's like you would have got edged if I held. But even here, I'm like, God. Okay, clearly we don't want to go. Even if, I don't know, anywhere you can add at least a fucking 1-to-1. But, there you go. Yeah, I would have to think we. I don't know. I would expect us, if we were to take out a new target, I would expect us to take out the gap before we took out the 678 lows.
Yep.
It's just such a strong reaction off of that. I don't know if it goes. No, Apex won't let me buy any more accounts with them. So I can't. Evidently, you make a little bit of money, and then they're like, "Ooh, actually, we don't. You're not an affiliate with us. You can't. You can't buy." Oscar, what is that name? But how we doing, Marky Garcia? Oscar Falkenberg Jensen. Sup? Have y'all taken anything yet? No, I mean, my original idea was short down to at least here, but I mean, that happened too quick, and then, I mean, I had this marked out, which we didn't get to, and then longs looked decent after this candle, and I was just looking for a pullback to get to here or here, and we just didn't get it. And now, I don't know if we'll be taking anything. We have the gap still up there. But from where we are now, it's 170 points. I guess from the high, it's only like 95, but I just don't know if we get to it. Damn unlucky. You take anything, Oscar, or no? We'll see if news at 10 adds another fucking rally. That'd be the only way I'd probably get in on anything else. Otherwise, I just think we'll probably shop for a couple hours. If we do want to eventually get up here, but... Pretty good, man. I passed about 550Ks Monday and got already past the buffer, just trying to go for a nice 10K payout. Damn. Good shit. Already past the buffer. That is the luxury of trading. If you're... Like, I always feel like I'm so far away, but you do see people like that who are like, oh, I got the accounts, and... Like, I think of getting to the buffer, and I'm like, oh my god, dude, that takes forever, because I'm so slow with it, but if you can do that, good for you. Are you only going to take out a max 2K payout, or no? Like if you're up to like 52,600, are you going to take out $500 and just get like a nice $2,500 to pay for the accounts? Sorry. Yep. Took a long, almost all the way at the bottom when it hit a 1 hour BB. Then I just waited for a 15-second CISD and pressed long. I know CISD has changed the state of delivery. I have no... What is BB? No idea what BB is. Breaker block? I think I've heard of it. I don't fucking know. I have no idea what either of them are, but I've heard them. If that's what that is. That's good. Here's your 10 o'clock news.
Yep.
If I know how you feel. I'm going to see if I can take out a 10K pin on the 2K pin. You don't want to take out anything before that, just to lock in some gain. And then that's like the best part about Apex. And then you can just trade another 8 days, and whatever you grow in that time you can take out. If you do at all. How much have you spent on your current accounts? Me? Like all time? How much have I spent on accounts? Or like with just the accounts I have now? Because I only have like 8 and only like 3 that are funded. The ones now? I couldn't even tell you. I guess I could tell you. What are the trade to 550K ones? I got the 50K growth account, so what is that? $97 for 5, so almost $500 on that. And then 3 alpha futures. The 0 accounts. I think those are also right around $100 for 3, so probably right around $800. Yeah. Well, I don't know if there was a deal with the. I think there might have been, so probably like $700. You know how I feel. Why so conservative? What other accounts can I buy? I mean, I guess I can buy 5 take profit trader accounts. My Fund of Future, the deals are terrible right now. Or at least they were. Like, there was nothing to. And then, I don't know if they still are right now. Apex won't let me buy. I haven't looked into Lucid. My confidence is so low, anyways, and I haven't done anything that I just kind of want. I don't need much. I just want a fucking payout. I don't even care the size at this point right now. Yeah, I've heard of Lucid, but I don't know.
I don't even know what you're supposed to be looking for right here, to be honest.
So, day's over. Objectives taken. Said it. Looked like we slowed down after that one. That's I was like, play the idea of shorts maybe. I don't fucking know. But. If I were to take to a minimum payout of 500 on Apex after reaching the buffer, I would still have about 2,000 drawdown, correct? Yeah. So regardless, now you can only withdraw into 52,100, and you have to be at least at 52,600 because you need the minimum of 500. So once you get to 52,600, you can request. Obviously, you can wait until you're at 54,100 if you really want to request a 2K and make it back down to 52,100. But yeah, you can request that, and then. Regardless, so you'll always, whenever you request, if you always request down to 52,100, you'll always have the 2,000 left because your trailing drawdown stops at 50,100. If you know how I feel. So you're not buying accounts because you're not confident you can trade? I mean, when you haven't taken a payout since August, it doesn't make you feel good. And you've blown accounts, so, I mean, 8 accounts is plenty for me. Obviously, it's nice to have fucking 30, but it's also, you gotta, when you're not doing good, you also gotta acknowledge that, and you don't want to blow through all your capital. Because at the end of the day, regardless, it is a risk preservation game. You want to be risk on when you're hot and risk off when you're not. Easier said than done, but I don't need to go buy fucking 5 take profit trader accounts and 5 Lucid accounts and 5 My Fund of Future accounts and this just to fucking blow them all if I am not trading well.
Yep. Well, this is pretty much over.
Yeah,
We're just gonna sit here and chat for the rest of the day.
yeah, like like I don't want to take anything here. It's just if we were to get a breakout and to really start displacing towards either that gap or that that low that we didn't hit down there. Is your ego too big to learn? I don't think so. I don't know how to answer that. I try to
What do you
learn.
say?
So is my ego too big to learn?
Oh.
Uh, like, like,
I'm just watching some clip of some guys like. So you think I should get taxed 75% after I make $2 million? And he's like, yeah, every dollar you make after that. He's like, you know what I'm gonna do then? I'm gonna say, fuck my employees. You're all gone until next year. I'm gonna go fishing. I'm gonna go play golf, and I'm not making another dollar because why? I'm not gonna work for 30 cents on the dollar.
I don't know why
And
people
the
are
guy
so
just like sit,
concerned with other
and
people's
they're like,
money.
and it's like,
I could give a fuck. Like, Elon's gonna be a
yeah,
trillionaire. It's like, great, good for him. I don't care. It's like, he should have to pay more. It's like, why? I don't care. He already has employees that pay. Like, I could give a fuck.
it's
I'm the absolute opposite. I don't even think there should be different tax brackets. I think everybody should just get taxed the same. I literally could give if it worked
yeah.
out.
Just tax us all like 25%, and then or 30% or whatever you want, and then just leave us be. Seems like all the volume. I guess maybe not. Let's say it just seems slow, but
Yeah, I don't know. There's really just nothing to do until we either break the highs here and look like we want to get up to like previous day high or something, or start crashing down towards like the friggin' 750s.
Yep.
But like all the way from fucking 760s to 960s, I just don't want to be involved. Just nothing. Nothing to do. If you know how I feel. I mean, you really can tell though. It's like you take it out, you just immediately see like the slowing down.
Yep.
Then get a mentor, bro. If you haven't seen profit, just get instant funding. What? If I, you mean if I haven't seen profit, get instant funding? How we doing, Abe? How we doing? What does that mean? If I haven't seen what is what I can get a mentor so I could be like that guy who just came out yesterday who had 250,000 subs, who then it's like, oh yeah, I lied about making $700,000. I made millions of dollars off of courses because of it though, but I'm sorry because Jesus said so. I don't. It's not that like if you could buy a course. Like the thing is, most of everything you need you can get for free. It really is the case. if I haven't seen profit just get instant funding, why would I get instant funding? If you can't pass a regular account, why would you get instant funding?
Pay more money so you can blow the fund account, not just eval.
You said you pass evals and get to, yeah, I mean eventually you pass evals, it's just how it fucking works. But well, I don't want to fucking spend $500 on an instant funded one instead. Like, it's just not worth it. Like, you could spend a $500 on fucking 150K instant funded, or you could spend fucking $500. Like, it's so what if you want a five lightning accounts, you spend fucking $2,500, or you can buy batches of 5 accounts for $500, and then you have 5 chances to pass to. Or if you pass it in 4 chances or less, you made money on that pretty much. You know what I mean? If you know how I feel, at least you'll get a payout. Well, how much do you have in payouts, smokers? Just so I know.
Smoker's the one that said that he just spent all his money on a girl.
Yeah. And he wouldn't clarify, so like some hooker or something like that. Good question, yeah. The question more people should ask so they don't get fucking duped. Like, oh, take advice from me. Oh, because... So how many do you have? Okay, no, okay. Then don't talk. Trying to help you, bro. If I can't pass an eval long term, think long term. I'm not here to make a quick buck, smokers. Oh, I can hopefully buy a lightning account and then get a payout of $800 and it'll pay for that, and then I can spend the $300 on a dinner for my fucking whore girlfriend, like, or whatever you did with it. Like, if I can't pass an eval long term, there's no point of being like, let me buy it instant funded so I can maybe get lucky on it. And it's just. I think long term here. Recently passed one phase of 2-step funded account. Dude, what account are you trading that still has 2-step funded account, FA? It's gotta be like Forex or some garbage. Oh, we're getting some influx of volume here. So he's starting to get a good push, and the candle looks like it's pushing up quick, too. Who knows, Johnny? Let's see. Can we break the highs? Alright, you want to make sure. Yeah, there's no point in fucking. I've already gotten payouts. I don't need. I don't need to hope and pray to get one or whatever. Like, I know I can do it, but you just go in good and bad spells. Going really slow. No, are you in like Forex though, Abhay? That there's phase 1 of a 2-step funded? Like, I think there's not even such thing as 2-step fundeds in futures. It's just so gay. Yes, yeah. Dude, you gotta switch to futures. Forex is so fucking stupid. Between the spread and the unregulated brokers and the fucking garbage, prop accounts or whatever, it just does not seem worth it. And they're more expensive too, I think. Like, it's crazy. If you know how I feel. It's a little complicated buying accounts in crypto or UFC. I don't know. I would just try to get into futures if you could. Forex just seems to suck so much worse in every aspect. You have Top Step. Just expensive comparatively, and you got to use like their whole. I can't trade it on Ninja Trader. You got to trade it on like Project X or whatever. I don't want to do that. There's plenty of other ones out there. Like if I wanted Top Step, I'd just get like 5 Take Profit Trader accounts instead or something. I feel like they're kind of similar. But they pay out. I haven't experienced a prop firm that doesn't pay out. Her girlfriend is from Miami. Yeah, I'm sure she is. She's also fucking boyfriends with 15 other people, probably. Bank account gets frozen due to some guideline. On all, I don't know where you're from. I would assume fucking India, but there's none. All right, Johnny, we got a chance here. If we fucking, we're getting a good push up to the 40s or like up to the 90s. I could see us getting to the 40s if we wanna. Hello?
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm listening.
Just don't respond. He's just mute.
Just waiting. If we get a push, yeah.
You know how I feel. This is gonna be so cool when it just fucking goes straight up to it. Uh, I mean, some of them provide INR transaction, but majority it's crypto or USD. Got you. Why do I put position orders but never enter? It's just a P&L sheet. It's not a position order. I just I'm waiting. This is like my idea, kinda, and I do this to see like kind of my risk of how many I'm gonna have to risk when I come over here if I do get into it. This is fun. You're waiting for what? For it to leave you? I can't. I can't. When do you want me to enter here? I wanted to make sure we got above this high, and then we've just been fucking ripping. Like you act like this is a common everyday thing that happens. Of this is how price moves. Where it's we literally don't have a single pullback ever and just deliver straight to the targets. Yeah, great. Today I'm an idiot because this, but tomorrow I buy here and then it pulls back to here and then fucking goes. I don't know. I'd be okay willing to go for the gap because I doubt we take out the previous day high and don't go for the gap. So, because now that we're all the way up here, and we'll see what happens. This like. Is that the pullback, Johnny? Okay. It's getting interesting, maybe.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, I'm giving it a shot here. Where are my stops? 53s. Take profit. 59. Where do I get filled? The 7s. Oh my god, I'm in with fucking 1 micro. I didn't change my thing. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. Alright, hold on. Did you get it or not yet?
Not in right now.
What?
No, I'm not in right now.
Yeah, I didn't realize I entered with one micro, but I'm just kind of uh, waiting to see better confirmation before I re-enter with more. Is it EMA line? That's the EMA. Yeah. How we doing, FFs? Also, why is this guy talking in all caps? I have no idea. How goes things? You know, trying to stay positive in this battle through things. Lost yesterday, caught high of day. I thought it was a good trade, but didn't end up playing out. Just looked like we had good momentum. We had the new week opening gap, which was a good target. We kind of came down, trapped below, had like a good push up or whatever. I guess we were a little laggy here, but I don't know. I just thought these wicks would get ran and we would pump up to the. And then I was wrong, but just tried to have a short memory. You take anything today, FFs, or no? Or yesterday? Got one win, one loss. So are you a little bit up or no? So I got a nice short. I gotcha. What time? What time did you get the short yesterday? I'll look at it. See, like we broke the high there. Should I have gone break even? That's only one. And I was planning on scaling in anyways if we got lower and pushed up. Entry was when? Right around open? 20,020. Let's see. 20,000, 25,020. Here or here? Something like that on this candle, or so like here. No, off the open one, like literally right off the bat, like here. I feel like that's a. What was the reasoning? I feel like, aren't you normally like to wait for the 15-minute and? Like you weren't bullish here towards this gap? Volume profile, man, I gotcha. Alright, let me get out of this. I'm not going anywhere.
Stop filled.
Do you take the 15-minute breakout till I got you? Place limits, keeps risk tight. I got you. That was a really exciting trade I was in. Oh, God. Alright, peace out. Take it easy. Wonder if this is gonna be a trap. Call it a day. I don't know. That might be. We're just so close to this level. I'd be so surprised if we don't take it out now. We just finally got like the trap. But we're just not getting a good push towards it now. So I'm just about to. But I was just curious to see if we started getting a strong push up towards it. You're marrying the trade? I haven't taken it. That's the whole point, though. It's like I have a bias or I have an idea, and I'm waiting to see if the idea plays out so I can enter. Is that not how you trade?
It seems dead. We haven't moved in freaking 20 minutes. Oh.
Oh, yeah. It's just nothing's happening. Alrighty, I'm gonna call it here. This is just it. Peace out.
Yeah.